Shibaura Institute of Technology was founded in 1927 by Dr. Shiro Arimoto. He wanted to nurture practical engineers who can lead industrial development of Japan. We have 3 campuses, one in Omiya and 2 in Tokyo. We want to foster practical engineers who learn from the world and contribute to global sustainability.
The Graduate School of Science and Engineering covers the 6 major fields, starting from mechanical, materials, chemistry, electrical and electronic computer science, architecture and construction engineering, and systems engineering. Students can learn and study for coursework in English. They will work with international and Japanese students together for specific research teams. To facilitate international students, we provide them a Global Learning Commons and Technoplaza.
The Technoplaza was established to provide all SIT students an equal opportunity to use and common space. In the Common Equipment Center, all the students can use equipment like transmission electron microscopy, scanning electron microscopy, atomic force microscopy, and DFM, KFM, etc.
The aim of the Global Engineering and Science course is to foster future global engineering leaders by teaching them how to learn from society needs in the global viewpoint.
The most important thing is to tell the student that social contribution is very important for their future. We want to foster practical engineers who can contribute to the society.
My research is to develop high maneuverable drones for realized versatile flight missions. The drone we are developing now is categorized in the multi-body system. That is multiple rigid bodies connecting with some active or passive joints. The drone we are developing has several actuators. Using multi-body system dynamics, we developed the sophisticated control method. We can fly horizontally without changing the attitude itself. Other potential applications are surgery simulator. Our research group are doing the development of the control method and also the visualization.
メタルバイオテクノロジーは生物のメタルとの代謝メタボライズを言っているので、金属元素に対応する代謝する微生物っていうのを自然界から取ってくることになります。その微生物の代謝機能、吸着するとか溶液化するとか固化するっていうような機能を見つけてきます。すなわち廃棄物から有用な金属をこの微生物によって回収し、回収したものを資源化し、サプライやインダストリーに戻したいんです。
Almost all patients of motor dysfunction disorder have difficulty standing without supporting their own body weight. Our developed gait training system, AirGait, is using pneumatic muscles as an actuator to support the body weight and also to support lower limb movement. The AirGait system can modulate the support of lower limb movement to match paralysis level. The most important point is how to keep the patient motivated for recovery of each motor dysfunction.
University education is not conducted only in the university. We need the help of industry and government. GTI Consortium stands for Global Technology Initiative. We invite industry, university, and government from the world to train international students in a diversified environment.
For students to get hands-on experience, they have to participate in projects actively and positively. Global PBL is an international version of project-based learning. It is a kind of collaborative projects with overseas institutions, such as foreign partner universities or companies. The framework of GTI Consortium helps us to enhance global PBL programs to be more practical and global. Students are supposed to tackle project themes such as real-life problems and country or region-specific issues, which are given by academic supervisors or industrial mentors.
The focus of my project is developing a device to plant rows in crops in an automatic way and avoid efforts from farmers and workers.
I heard about this PBL program from my professor and got interested in working together with students from other countries. To prevent heat stroke at agricultural sites, we decided to make a wearable device that measures biomedical signals and alerts the user in case of programs.
Working in a group is very interesting because you have to mix all our competencies and we can solve problems we could never solve only by our own.
During academic year 2017, we are conducting in total 80 Global PBL programs. 50 sessions are held abroad and 30 are at SIT in Japan.
They learn a lot through this program, communication skills and the importance of diversity. I want to make SIT to be real global university.